So we're looking at the 3-channel bench power supply. So you've got channel 1, 2 and 3 here. If you wish to set up a channel, simply select that channel. You've got the voltage soft key to set up the voltage. Use the wheel to select your voltage. So I'm going to set 12 volts today. You can use the cursors to move along to the various digits. So then I'm going to set 12 volts, 100 milliamp. So I can take that down to 100 milliamp. If you wish to go bigger, and obviously the digit isn't there, so you just need to use the dial and the extra digit will appear. You can take that back to 100. You can then plug in your leads. Ground is the minus or the blue one. Red is the positive. So once you've done that, and you can plug it into your breadboard at the other end, you can then select channel 1 to make that come on. But then you also need to select the master, which controls all three at the same time. And now you can see the channel has gone green to show it's on. And if I press, you can see this current is still selected. So if I deselect that, it will show you the amount of current being drawn on a circuit. If you wish to have a second output channel, in the same way, you set that up. So I'm going to set it up as 12 volts, 100 milliamp. And then obviously the thing we do a lot is a plus and minus supply. So you take your other set of leads, but this time the ground is going to be into the plus, so that then your minus 12 will come out of the minus there. And then you can plug it into your breadboard in the same way. And you can put that channel on. Obviously, if you're supplying a circuit, you should use the master on and off, set your circuit up, and then use the master on off to put the plus and minus on together. So some of the more advanced features of the power supply, you can, for safety, you can enable a fuse. So that will now blow on our set 100 milliamps. So if I just create a quick short in our little circuit, you can see it beeps at you and flashes red to say you've overcurrented. Obviously you clear the short in your circuit and you can just reset that fuse by putting the channel back on. Tracking, so where we've got our plus and minus voltage here, if you wanted to link those together permanently, you can press the track key, and then when the track key's selected, you simply select the channels you wish to link, and then for that the voltage and current are linked together. One of the more advanced features, if you haven't got a handy multimeter, you can do some measurements in the supply. So press measure, press stats. You might need to switch, just make sure it's on. And you can see it then records your min and max currents. So interesting if you want to say peak currents and peak voltages. That's it.